Hello students, good morning to all. Today I am going to take lecture of 9th class. Chapter is motion and topic is average speed. So what is average speed? So student, when you have to travel a long distance, then to entire trip, to entire journey, the speed of your vehicle is not remain constant. Some places the speed increases, some time you have to slow down, you have to decrease the speed of your vehicle, and sometime for to take rest even you have to stop. If you have to go one place to another place for a long distance like Gorakhpur to Delhi, then when you get highway, so you can increase the speed of your car up to a speed, certain speed. But if there is crowded place, traffic, then you have to move with slow speed. You have to slow down your speed. Or if you wanted to take a rest, then you have to stop. So to represent the speed for entire journey, there is a need of special rate up to which you completed your journey. So this is known as average speed. So the total average speed is found by dividing when total distance divided by total time, then you get your average speed. Total distance divided by total time. So it means average speed is the ratio of total distance upon total time. Unit is same as speed. Unit is meter per second. This is SI unit. If you find a larger unit, so this is kilometer per hour. This is larger unit or large unit, not larger. This is large unit of average speed. You can take example. If you started from point A and reach at point B after traveling a distance 100 km, in 2 hours. After that, you start from point B and reach at point C after traveling a distance 50 km in 3 hours. Okay, so you can assume it is a highway. The speed is around 50 km per hour, but in this region, this is crowded region, there is traffic jam, then the speed of vehicle is around 15-20. Okay, so if you want to find average speed, so average speed, so as you know, the formula for average speed is total distance upon total time. So total distance 100 kilometer and 50 kilometer. It means 100 plus 50, and the total time 2 hours plus 3 hours. So it means 150 upon 5. So this is 30 kilometer per hour. So this is your average speed. This kilometer per hour you can convert in meter per second. As you know, 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter, and 1 hour equal to 60 into 60 seconds. So 30 kilometer per hour equal to 30 kilometer 1000. This is 60 into 60. So when you solve, this is 5, 3. So 30 into 5 upon 18. 10, 6. So this is 50 upon 6. Clear? So when you divide 50 by 6, this around 8.3. Clear? So now we have to discuss some special cases to find average speed. There is some special cases. So case first. What is case first? When the total distance of journey covered in 2 equal parts with different speed. V1 and V2. Okay, so this is special case. You can note this is special case. Like you have to go A to B, Gorakhpur to Delhi. This is the midpoint between Gorakhpur and Delhi. The total distance is S. The AO part is covered with speed V1, and the remaining half part is covered with speed V2. This is 2 equal parts. So as you know, the formula for average speed, P average equal to total distance upon total time. So total distance AO plus OB, it means S by 2 plus S by 2. So this is 2s upon 2, it is s. So total distance is s, it is given. Total time. So let t1 time taken to reach at point O and t2 from point O to B. So as you know, the time t1 equal to distance upon speed. You know the formula, speed equal to distance upon time. Clear? So distance is s by 2, half distance, and speed is v1. So you can say 1 upon 2 s upon v1. And time t2 is given as 1 upon 2 s upon v2. Okay. So the total time t equal to t1 plus t2. So 1 upon 2 s upon v1 plus 1 upon 2 s upon v2. So 1 upon 2 s, 1 upon v1 plus 1 upon v2. This is the total time. Total time. We have to find the value of total time. T1 is this, T2 is this, and total time is this. Okay. So the value of total time T is s upon 2, 1 upon v1 plus 1 upon v2. Okay, so now the average speed, V average equal to total distance s and total time t, s upon 2, 1 upon v1 upon v2. So s cancelled by this s, so 2 upon 1 upon v1 plus 1 upon v2. So V average equal to, when solve this, v1 v2 and v2 plus v1. So this is 2 v1 v2 upon v1 plus v2. So this is the formula for average speed. You have to note, this is very important formula. You can use this formula to find average speed. Now we have to take example. The average speed VAV is equal to 2v1 v2 upon v1 plus v2. Next, we have to travel A to B. Midpoint is O. The half part is covered with 50 km per hour, and the remaining half covered with 100 km/h. So what is average speed? So V average equal to 2V1 V2 upon V1 plus V2. So there is no need to find distance, no need to find time. You can put direct values. This is 50. V2 is 100 and V1 50 plus 100. So 2 into 50 into 100, this is 150. 0. So V average equal to 200 upon 3. So when you divide 200 by 3, it is 6.6 km/h. So I hope you understand this topic clearly. You can
All the subject teachers from 9 to 12.
Thank you very much.
All the subject teachers from 9 to 12, please join the staff.